Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. There's been times when you need data from one spreadsheet to another, and Google Spreadsheets has that very same power. Let me show you how to do that. You can see you use the import range, and then you use the URL that you want to get the data from. In this case, the URL is this one here, and just copy the whole thing and then paste it into the import range. Make sure you use the double quotes, and from there you can do some pretty amazing things. In this case, you can see I'm pulling the named range POV, and you'll see here is the POV I pulled from this random sheet. And what I can do is create a new named range. Defined named range, and we'll call this Big Co. Make sure you get the correct spelling of that. Done. And now we can go back to our spreadsheet, and I'm going to create the same thing. Copy that, put it here, and now I'm going to put in Big Co. And there it is. It's pulled from the remote spreadsheet, which is over here, and then pulled in the data. And if you notice, it'll do all of the name. It'll pull the named range automatically for you. And I did the same thing down here, but in this case, I used the sheet that it pulls the very first sheet. But if I want to get a different sheet, then I need to use the name of that sheet. And in this case, we'll use POV. So POV, and then the exclamation mark, POV, bang, A1 to A3. That should work. There it is. I can also change that to another number, say, for example, A3 to A7, and it automatically pulls it in for you. I'd say that's pretty darn cool. So that's how to pull data across Google Sheets into other sheets. Hope that's useful. I'm certainly excited by it myself. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.